Hello, today I'm at the Guelph Griffin Soccer Complex and I'm here to provide you with the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for the month of May 2022. For the second month in a row, we're seeing month-over-month declines in the median sales price in all of our local markets. So let's take a look at some of the key metrics relative to May of last year, and then we'll talk about the month-over-month stats. So for Guelph, the median sales price was $834,950, which is up by 15.2% relative to May of last year. The average sales price per square foot was $506, which is up by 14.7%. The total number of listings was 442, which is up by 10.2%. And the total number of sales was 206, which is down by 32.5%. For the Tri-Cities, the Kitchener median sales price was $749,500, which is up by 9.4%. For Waterloo, the median sales price was $780,000, up by 16.2%. And in Cambridge, it was $778,500, which is up by 8.9%. Despite the year-over-year increases for each of the local markets, the median sales prices are down across the board relative to last month. This has been the trend over the past 2 months, but the median sales price declines have grown. Guelph market prices are down by 6.3%, while Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge are down by 10.2%, 2.5%, and 3.2% respectively. The number of new listings far exceeded the number of sales for each of our local markets in May. This is presenting an excellent opportunity for buyers who have struggled to purchase over the past couple of years. Homes are available, and you have a much better opportunity to purchase now and do so with conditions to protect yourself. And for the sellers out there, it's not all doom and gloom. The successful sellers are the ones who acknowledge that they may not surpass what their neighbors sold for in the past couple of months, and the ones who are successful are also pricing their houses accordingly and aggressively in this market to stand out. If you're considering a move in the near future, there's still plenty of opportunity for both buyers and sellers. If you need any help at all, I'd be happy to help you out. Please feel free to contact me.